Good morning, actually good afternoon, welcome to the video. I'm on my way to the shop. I slept through this morning through 4 fucking alarms. Yeah, couldn't do my training right at home, so I'm gonna do it at the shop, which is why I'm in my kit. That's pretty much the plan, some VO2s and get this training kick started. See you at the shop.
Hey, yeah. Oh, I really wanna know, do you? Hey, yeah. Oh, I really wanna know, do you?
I call this the power matcha smoothie, PMS, and it's the shit. It's like the perfect post-workout smoothie that I can get, and it's got this awesome green color because I added a superfood, which is invincible super greens. You get it at Happy Healthy Me. Get it, worth it, so good. Yeah, we're gonna have this on sale in the shop pretty soon. We're just working out our food licenses and all that jazz, but once it's through, you can get it here, man. So, I just got this all-day breakfast coupon for 2, thanks to Vivek, an awesome guy. And I think I know who I'm gonna take for this. I just got the coolest present ever from Steffi. Like, thank you so much. But this is like, I think, yeah, this is probably the coolest fucking present I've ever got. Functional, practical, just what I need. Man, Steffi, you're just amazing. You know exactly what I need. So I don't know if this was probably featured on GCN sometime back. It's called the Fidlock, I don't know how you pronounce it. It's a magnetic bottle holder, and you basically do this. It's got a magnet system here. That's the magnetic thing there. Weighs like 48 grams, so for weight weenies, this is fucking awesome. It's perfect for your road bike, and yeah, basically put it back here and riding it, boom, take it out. Fucking awesome. So awesome. How awesome can awesome be? And this, yeah, please throw that
Make a love all night.
Hey, maccha, I got it. But it's not hard.
I wonder why is it not so hard?
Fuck you. Oh, you screw that, screw that.
Hey Google, what do you think of Siri?
She has a nice name.
Hey Google, do you like Siri?
Full respect. Being an assistant is hard work.
What's this place? What's happening? I thought it was gonna rain, but it doesn't look like it's gonna rain. So I ended up cleaning my house. I rearranged my house and it looks nicer. Let me show you what I mean. Yeah, so I basically made that as an awesome training place. Bike comes there, computer plays there, chair moves out, you can see some shit outside, fans up, another fan on the side, and speakers are in front, so That's nice. Cushions come down, but yeah. And when I sit on my couch, I can see both my legs, which is awesome. I need to get rid of these towels, maybe make something with it. So yeah, couldn't do a session of commuter did Thursdays yesterday because the guys are out in Goa, and we didn't organize the ride. I had my train ride yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna do something next week. I hope you like the video.